I decided to write Traversing the Traction Gap for a number of reasons, but the primary reason behind it was the tremendous amount of failures that I saw, and it was a pattern that began to emerge over the course of the first 5 to 7 years. What I saw was that we have these really smart product teams come in. They would present an interesting set of ideas. They had some kind of usually technical solution. And then they would actually build the product. If we invested in them, they would build the product. But the results could be dramatically different. Typically, the products that they built worked. That is, what they said they set out to do, those products actually solved the problem. I realized that most of them came out of university, they came out of a great company, they might have come out of Salesforce or out of Google or out of Oracle, etc. So they were really adept at the product engineering. But most of them had never actually taken a product successfully to market. There were others who did that. And I don't mean selling per se, I mean positioning the product, etc. And what I realized, the pattern matching that occurred, was the successful teams had been part of companies where they were intimately involved in what I call market engineering. This concept stands for a variety of different things, but for the most part, it means category creation, inserting yourself as the category leader, creating the thought leadership, the talk track for thought leadership, in addition to the talk track for sales. And that was one of the big epiphanies I had. The companies that didn't really declare MVP until they had a highly polished product and had performed all of the product engineering work and the market engineering work were the ones that actually went on to succeed. The ones who had not completed all of those tasks but felt pressure from their investors, from the market, declared early and had problems.